Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Fox in Kaiju Paradise. First, you need to access the Spirit Realm, a hidden area within the game. Once there, your primary goal is to gather 10 ectoplasm orbs. These orbs are crucial for initiating the special ritual required to summon the elusive Ghost Fox. This method simplifies the process, making it easier for you to add this unique kaiju to your collection. Let's dive into the details. To enter the Spirit Realm, search for a shimmering, ethereal portal that appears in specific, less-traveled zones. Once inside, the environment changes and ectoplasm orbs will begin to spawn. These orbs are scattered throughout the realm, often in obscure corners or elevated spots. Using a spirit detector, an in-game item, significantly boosts your chances of locating them quickly. Remember, patience is key as you collect all 10 necessary orbs for the next step. With all 10 ectoplasm orbs in hand, proceed to the Altar of Whispers, centrally located within the Spirit Realm. Interact with the altar to place your collected orbs, which will trigger the summoning ritual. Be prepared, as this action will awaken the Spectral Guardian, a powerful boss you must defeat. Successfully overcoming the Guardian is the final challenge before you can claim your prize. Stay focused and utilize your best kaiju for this battle. After a victorious battle against the Spectral Guardian, the magnificent Ghost Fox will materialize before you. Simply approach and interact with it to officially add this rare and powerful kaiju to your roster in Kaiju Paradise. Congratulations, you've successfully acquired one of the game's most sought-after creatures. For more amazing deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying features, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.